Welcome back and welcome to my favorites. My first favorite is... Okay, you really thought I'm gonna start so soon? I am. My first favorite is this travel pillow. I have been traveling a lot in this year, and on my May trip I was sleeping at an airport for the whole night. This is going to turn into a story time, so I'll leave that to another video. Bachpan se I wanted to buy such a pillow, but these things are expensive, like the branded good quality ones. But I did invest in one of this and it was the best decision. If you are also like me, stuff, because I don't want to spend money because of not taking enough care, and almost all electronic stuff is super expensive. So I own a MacBook Air and I was looking for a cover right when I had purchased it, and online I found this one. I wanted a lot of pockets because you have your spare earphones and memory cards and your होता है ना ऐसा charger भी रखना होता है. I don't like to keep it with the laptop, and this one is amazing. It has two zip pockets here, one big and one relatively small one, and two open pockets here. To be honest, I'm not a fan of open pockets because why wouldn't you want to protect anything that I put in there? But I put my spare earphones and stuff here, and this is very well cushioned, perfectly sized. So you can totally go for this if you want. There's also a black version, so Kumar bought the black one, I bought the grey one, and it's called Air Case. I also saw it in a few real life stores. They didn't have it on discount in the stores, and I got this for like $8.50 on Amazon, which is a discounted price. So if you want to buy it online, I give you a green signal. Now my food favorite has been green pea cup puree. I love earthy tasting stuff, like I love beetroot, I love potatoes, and I love green peas. So basically I love crushing green peas together and then just eating it like baby food. It is very healthy for you, and I love the natural taste of things, and green peas have been my favorite for the month of May. So that is my food favorite for you. And my last favorite is my favorite song. So many of you have been asking me to do this, and I do not know why I didn't do this. Partial reason was that I couldn't let you hear this song in my video because of copyright issues, but I'll just share it with you for those of you who are interested. So I've been loving Michelle Khare's Tell Me I Can't, Tell Me I Can't. It is so motivating because she's written it and she's sung it. So the lyrics are very personal to her, and she has been through phases where a lot of people told her you cannot do this, you cannot do that, and I love listening to that song, especially when I am like stuck with something or when I'm working out, because I have been called fat when I was a kid. When I'm working out, it hits that note that yeah, people say I look fat and I cannot be fit. It's very relatable and it's very motivating. So I'll leave the link down below if you want to go and listen to it. And that was my main favorite. And yes, we also just filmed another monthly favorite in my PG. Sweet offer. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then,